So I've been using the Pocket option for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Pocket option. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Pocket option. Pocket option is a trading platform that primarily caters to binary options traders with a focus on simplicity and accessibility. One of the first things you'll notice is the user-friendly interface that makes it easy for beginners to get started. Additionally, there's a demo account with $10,000 in virtual funds. This lets you practice without any financial risk, which I found to be a great way to test out strategies before jumping into real trades. Plus, you don't even need to register to access the demo, so it's a seamless process from the get-go. Now let's talk about the assets available for trading. Pocket option offers more than 130 different assets, including forex pairs, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. However, one downside is that if you want to access the full range of 250 plus assets, you need to make a hefty deposit of $1,000 or more. For most casual traders, this limit is restrictive, especially compared to competitors that offer more options with lower or no minimum deposits. When it comes to payout, you can earn up to 92% on winning trades, which is competitive, but some assets like Bitcoin have relatively low returns, sometimes as low as 15%. So if you're into crypto trading, that might be a deal breaker. However, for traditional assets like forex pairs, the returns are generally solid. Additionally, Pocket option does not charge any deposit or withdrawal fees, which is a big advantage over many other platforms. Overall, if you're looking for a straightforward platform to trade binary options with competitive payouts and a solid mobile experience, Pocket option might be a good choice. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.